So to get videos created, all you have to do is come in here and hit this blue button here at the top. Now we do have two options. You can create videos from a script, or you can create videos from an audio. Okay, so if you already have a pre-recorded voiceover, you select this option and you can upload a pre-recorded voiceover, and Stoodaio will use our artificial intelligence to turn that audio into a text script, and then from there turn it into your slides and things like that. All right, if you're going straight from a script, then you come here, you click script, and then you paste whatever script it is that you have in here. All right, now we do have a few different templates here. This is going to just be based on different colors, and we're going to be adding a few more in there, so you could just leave it as the default option for now. Your scene target seconds. All right, this is kind of an estimate of how long you want your scenes to last before it changes to the next one. All right, so typically the longer that you set this for, usually the more media options you get shown as well when you're selecting media options, because sometimes the videos are a little bit longer that we have inside of our media library. Okay, if you wanted to ignore paragraphs, you can do so here. And then from this option, again, I pasted in a script, but you can click this option and have an AI script written for you. And all you have to do here is give a description of what you want your script to be about. So if I come in here and I put how to make money online with affiliate marketing. All right, and then you can set your minimum number of words. So I'm going to go ahead and just bring it back to 260. I'm going to click generate. It does cost 1 credit to use our script writer, and then a few seconds later it's going to go ahead and submit the script here. Okay, all right, there you go. The script has been written, and let's just read a few sentences from it. When you start making money online, there are many ways you can go about doing so. The easiest way is to just get yourself a website and start promoting affiliate products. Affiliate marketing is when you promote other people's products for a commission. In return, you earn a commission if someone buys a product from your affiliate link. Boom, great script there. Go ahead and use this script, and you can see the previous one was replaced with this one, obviously, because I'm using this one now. All right. The AI writer works similar to the AI rewriter works similar to the AI writer. The only difference is that this is exactly what it says it is. It is a rewriter. So you can take any piece of text, any piece of blog post, any article, anything online that you want to create a video about, but you don't want to, potentially get sued for plagiarism. Then you can go ahead and use our AI rewriter. Now, this is not a spinner. This is a professional rewriter that will take any article and rewrite a unique version of it. All right, so if I go ahead and remove this and I paste in this option here, which is what I just copied from that other blog post, and I click rewrite text, you'll see that it's going to take this and it's going to write a new unique version of that over here on this side. All right, there you go. And what you're going to notice a lot of times is that it actually simplifies a lot of the content that you put in here. So if there's a lot of filler content, for the most part, this one kind of ends up being more of a get to the point kind of rewritten version of that, which I kind of tend to enjoy. All right, so I'm going to close this out because I don't want to use this. I'm just going to go ahead and use this one that we had the AI writer write for us. So from here, you're going to go ahead and hit submit script. And from that point, you're going to be taken to the organization portion of the process where you can further organize your options here, okay? Now, as you can see here, it tends to have broken it up into 2 lines. But what I'm going to do first is name this. Oops. And here you can add some, you can remove, okay, you can remove here, you can copy it. All right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put this into this one line. There you go. Do the same thing here. All right, and this seems to be somewhat of a bug there because this should not be broken up like this. So I'm going to go ahead and report this myself and take a screenshot. All right. But there, from there, you can kind of break things up. You can fix things. You can add new slides. So if I want to add a new one, there you can see this is your new slide. I'm going to go ahead and remove it. All right. But here is kind of where you can kind of, like I said, add more, remove more, but you can also do it in the next step as well. So I'm going to go ahead and save and go next. And here is where you can add your media, edit anything and everything about your video, so on and so forth. So you can see here, media was automatically selected for me. And you can see here, when you start making money online, there are many ways to go about doing so. Now, this is where you can start editing your video options. And here you can also click to edit any of the text as well. If I come here to styles, I'm going to go ahead and change this because it doesn't look too good on the eyes with the dark background and the dark text. So I'm going to go ahead and let's do this like a light gray so it can match the laptop. Okay. And then the text, I think I'll go ahead and leave that. Yeah, let's leave it black. Okay. Click apply. And what I'm going to do is, well, here you can also change whether it's bold, semi, extra bold. All right. And if I want to, I'm going to move this since it's over her face. I'm going to go ahead and move this to the top bottom right, so it's not in her face. All right, there looks a little bit better. All right, and there, that's starting to look a little bit better. And then from there, I can also come to the media options and change the background if I want. So if I click online business, and these are keywords that the software extracted from my script automatically as well, so that it can make it easier for you to find images. All right, so you can see here all the other options that show up for me that I can choose. All right, but I'm going to go ahead and leave this one there for now. And what happens is the same one gets used for the entire scene, but you can edit each of the slides. Okay, so once you change to a different scene, then that's when it changes as well. But you can change each and every slide if you'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and click internet marketing, and I'm going to change the second slide. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and click replace for slide, and you can see you can replace for the whole scene, or you can replace for the specific slide. This one again is in covering kind of her face, so I'm going to do bottom left for that one. And I'll probably change the styles here and maybe do this the color of her shirt. See if that looks good. We'll see how that looks. Yeah, that looks much better there. All right, and again, you can come in here and edit just about anything that you like. Okay, you can also do images. All right, if you don't like it to be a video, you can do images, or you can upload a video or an image that you want to be used. All right, when you're over here on my media. But if I go back to my media library, if you click images, then you can change this stuff to be an image instead of a video. All right, so those are the editing options that we have here. And here you can bold text, italicize. You can also hide the text if you want to as well. If you prefer to just have the video speak for itself, then you can do that. And yeah, those are the editing options that you have. Once you're done editing your video, then you can click next step. Oh, and it's asking me to save first, so let me go ahead and do that. Then you click next step. And then here you can preview your video. This is if you want to preview it without any narration. If you want to actually add a narration and you want to use our text-to-speech options, then you click this option here, and you can choose from the many different voices that we have. And what you can do is, if you select one, you can actually preview it before you choose it so you can hear how it sounds. All right. Or you can click on own narration, and then from here you can record each line on your own, and then at the end the system is going to go ahead and mash all of it together and put it together with your video. All right. I'm just going to go ahead and no narration just for the purpose of this video. I'm going to preview it. And here you can click play. And you'll see there, this here seems like there's a bug there because the media isn't showing on the background. So let me go ahead and stop this. Open the bug options and see what's going on. All right. Let me play it again. And maybe that's when... No, it doesn't seem to be working right there. And you can see this is a live bug that's happening right now. So I'll report this to the developer with a screenshot because there definitely should be media showing up there. You can also add music to your video. So if you want to search through the music library, so if we do upbeat music, you can see it, and if you hover over it, you can actually hear a preview of the song as well if you want to use that one. And all you got to do if you want to actually use it is click on it, and then it'll be added to your video. Now also you can control the volume of your not only the narration but your music volume as well. I typically like to have my music be very low so that my voice can actually be heard in the video. All right. Then you click apply. And then you're good to go. Now, if you do come back to music, you'll notice that you can upload your own music track if you'd like to as well. All right, now let me see if I can actually preview it better now that I added some music to it. And no, it's still showing up a white screen. So there you go, a live bug while doing this beta video. Once you're done doing all of this, you click finished, and then it's going to take you to this page where it says your video has been created. What would you like to do now? You can download it, you can host your video, or you can go back to your actual videos page. So this is just a short, well, somewhat short video to show you how Stoodaio works. But that is kind of the general gist of it. So we appreciate you being inside of here, helping us find all these bugs. So get in here, click around, break things, and let us know when you do so. And again, the video below this video will show you how to properly find bugs and send them over to us.